Mercedes is unveiling the AMG version of the A-Class with the A45 S remaining a 5-door only version. The 2023 AMG A45 S receives a street-style edition with an assortment of visual enhancements. The limited-run version is painted in Mountain Grey Magno and gets an aero kit as well as new 19-inch matte black wheels with red brake calipers. You'll notice the retro-flavored body decals along with bright orange accents on the inside where there are aluminum trim elements. The hot hatch soldiers on with 416 horsepower and 369 pounds-foot of torque, but it's no longer the most powerful 4-cylinder engine installed in a production car. Mounted longitudinally in the new AMG C63, the very same M139 generates a whopping 470 horsepower and 402 pounds-foot of torque. The lesser version of the 4-pot helps the AMG A45 S hit 62 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds and max out at 168 miles per hour. It'll be interesting to see whether there are plans to put the more potent motor into the compact car.